Here are 8 differences between nonprofits and for-profits that will help you figure out where you'll fit in best. 1. Mission versus margin. The goal of a nonprofit is ultimately to improve society. On the other hand, a for-profit organization's goal is to make money. If a for-profit company is not profitable, it often shuts down. 2. Funding. Nonprofit organizations are funded by believers in the mission. A combination of donations, grants, and volunteer efforts help keep a nonprofit afloat. For-profits typically rely on investors and bank loans. The company's ability to pay off these loans with revenue becomes a top priority. 3. Staffing. Nonprofits rely on volunteers and low-paid staff who, again, believe in the mission. For-profit companies employ salaried individuals whose skills can help the company generate revenue. 4. Taxation. Because nonprofits can claim their services as a public good, they're exempt from paying income tax. For-profit organizations do not benefit from any tax exemptions. 5. Ownership. Nonprofit organizations are publicly owned. A board of directors offers guidance with no financial strings attached. For-profits are typically owned and led by a number of executives and stakeholders whose earnings are connected to the financial success of the organization. 6. Reporting standards. Nonprofits have less restrictive reporting standards, but they'll typically produce quarterly financial statements that describe all assets and liabilities. For-profit companies also generate quarterly reports, but these are more detailed income statements that help assess the company's profitability. 7. Reinvestment versus dividends. A nonprofit does not have shareholders, and its earnings are reinvested into the organization to help continue its efforts. For-profits may have shareholders who receive a return on their investments when dividends are paid. And 8. Organizational culture. A nonprofit's culture is typically focused less on individual success and more on cultivating a sense of community rooted in the mission. For-profits may also strive to build community within the organization, but the pressure to produce revenue breeds a culture focused on productivity, innovation, and sales. So, which type of organization are you better suited for?